Welcome to Options and Ideas. For more videos, click the subscribe button below. Today's topic is Kisan Credit Card. The Kisan Credit Card (KCC) scheme was a model agriculture loan scheme prepared by NABARD in August 1998 and RBI advised to implement the same by all commercial banks in India in 1998. After series of requests from farmers, NABARD and RBI revised the whole KCC scheme to suit the farmers' current needs. As per RBI directives, revised KCC scheme shall be referred to as the scheme to cover term loans for agriculture and allied activities under Kisan Credit Card scheme. What is the purpose of the scheme? To ensure working capital requirements of cultivation of crops, post-harvest expenses, produce marketing loan, consumption requirements, working capital for fisheries, animal husbandry, other allied activities and other investment credit under agriculture and allied activities. Objectivity: KCC to provide timely and adequate credit to farmers to meet their production credit needs, cultivation expenses, besides meeting contingency expenses. Eligibility: agricultural borrowers having good track record for the last 2 years. KCC nature of facility: 1. Cash credit, entire production credit requirement for the full year. Credit requirements for ancillary needs such as maintenance of agriculture machinery, implements, electricity bills, diesel charges and unforeseen credit needs related to crop production, be made up to 20% of aggregate scale of finance without cap. For meeting contingent needs pertaining to expenses such as medical, education of children, birth, funerals, marriage and other religious ceremonies, consumption limit up to 25% of total peak level limit without cap. 2. Term credit, for allied activities such as pump sets, land development, plantation, drip irrigation, and allied to agricultural activities such as dairy farming, sheep breeding, fisheries, beekeeping etc. Who are the eligible borrowers for applying the loan under the scheme? Owner cultivators, tenant farmers, oral lessees, sharecroppers, SHG, JLG, A.T.C. What is the margin for financing under the scheme? No specific margin is necessary for finance to production credit. For investment credit, margin varies with the purpose of investment. However, no margin is required for loan up to 1.60 lakh rupees. Credit limit of KCC bank loan: 1. Production credit limit 3,000 rupees and above reduced to 1,000 rupees in Uttarakhand state. Credit limit based on operational land holding, cropping pattern and scale of finance. 2. The total limit is inclusive of 20% of production credit. Limit is valid for 3 years subject to annual review. 3. Withdrawal: through withdrawal slips and checkbooks for literate borrowers having credit limit of 25,000 rupees and above. ATM cards can also be issued for withdrawals. 4. Since scale of finance (SOF) is applied for financing, no further margin to be insisted upon irrespective of any amount. Security of KCC bank loan: KCC limit up to 1 lakh rupees. Primary, hypo of crops, collateral, nil. Personal accident insurance for KCC bank loan: personal accident insurance up to age of 70 years to the extent of 50,000 rupees on death, disability. 25,000 rupees on partial disability. Premium, for 1 year, 15 rupees, 10 bank, 5 borrower. Interest rate of Kisan Credit Card. Crop loan, as per the instructions issued by Govt. of India in 2013 to 2014, crop loans up to 3 lakh rupees must be given at the rate of 7% per annum and there must be 3% interest subvention to prompt repaying farmers, thus the effective interest rate will be kept at 4% per annum. For term loan, as per limit amount and credit rating in agriculture sector. Repayment period of Kisan Credit Card. Cash credit scheme, crop loans as well as working capital for agriculture and allied activities to be provided as revolving cash credit limit repayable in 12 months. Term loan, repayable within a maximum period of 5 years, depending on the type of activity or investment and repayment capacity. Personal accident insurance scheme for Kisan Credit Card. All KCC holders are covered under Personal Accident Insurance Scheme. Under this master policy, the premium of 9 rupees for a 1-year policy and 27 rupees for a 3-year policy is shared between the farmer and the bank in the ratio of 1:2 to be paid in advance. Risk coverage under the scheme ranges from 25,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees. The policy will cover the KCC holder up to the age of 70 years. What are benefits provided by Government of India to improve finance under KCC? The interest subvention at 2% and prompt repayment incentive benefit at 3% on KCC loan, i.e. crop loan plus working capital loan for animal husbandry and fisheries, will be available on an overall limit of 3 lakh rupees per annum and subject to a maximum limit of 2 lakh rupees per farmer involved in activities only related to animal husbandry or fisheries. What are list of documents required for applying the loan? 1. Duly filled and signed application form. 2. Passport size photograph 3. Aadhaar card copy 4. Photo identity, address and signature proof 5. PAN card, form 66. Land details 7. Declaration on availment of crop insurance 8. Declaration of availment of personal accident insurance scheme 9. Tie-up agreement in case of tie-up arrangements. 10. Security or other documents, wherever applicable. 11. Land valuation report and legal opinion from empaneled valuer, advocate, wherever applicable. Thank you for watching video. For any query, contact us on the number below.